When autopilots were first introduced in aviation, analyses showed that a number of accidents were caused because of blind trust in the decisions of the autopilot. Today, the analogy to AI systems is clear. Join us as we speak with Eric Horvitz and Abigail Sellen to discuss the rise of the AI CoPilot, lessons for design from aviation and beyond.
We decided to put this paper together to capture our thinking about where we stand and where we're going when it comes to human-AI interaction and collaboration in the context of the surprising rise of generative AI systems that are showing capabilities that are taking AI researchers, HCI researchers, and even technological visionaries aback with their influence and possibilities ahead.
This article actually came about from a casual conversation with Eric, and we were talking about the use of this term CoPilot as a term that's being used more and more in relation to our new AI technologies. And there are decades of research in aviation which have addressed the issue of how to design aviation systems for co-pilots and for pilots in a way that ensures that they're designed in the best possible way and that they don't have catastrophic consequences. And therefore they have a lot to say about how humans work with automated systems. And so we started to realize that the lessons from the field that has carried out most of this research, called human factors engineering, has really a lot to say about how we design our new AI technologies. So we thought that we should be making these much more visible and to talk about them more and to start to apply them to AI technology today.
The CoPilot is an important metaphor, we think, in that it captures important distinctions about humans being the pilot, AI systems being the co-pilot, subservient to the humans. They can be helpful, they can come forward, they can alert, they can take over some responsibilities, they can be given responsibilities, but it is the human who oversees as pilot, who grants responsibility, who is accountable, and who understands and guides when and how the co-pilot is used.
When we think about the relevance of human factors engineering, I think back to a very influential paper that I read by a human factors engineer called Lisanne Bainbridge, who wrote a paper called Ironies of Automation.
Bainbridge called out 4 challenges: the problem of vigilance, the problem of takeover, the problem of de-skilling, and the challenge of trust and automation bias.
Drawing on years of research in human factors engineering, you could see that one of the main ironies was that automation was supposed to make people's jobs easier, less error-prone, and safer. And in fact, if you look at what has happened, in many cases when you start to introduce automation, it does the opposite of that.
The assumption of the superiority and the correctness of autopilot is a clear and important lesson from aviation.
I'm really excited about the future for these systems, and especially if we put human aspiration and human values at the very center of everything that we design and we develop. And I think if we do that, and if we do deep research, we get a better line of sight into the future and where these systems are heading, and we can also help to shape them. And so if we do that and we work together, I think we've got a great future ahead of us.
Research on human-AI interaction will define our relationship with AI systems moving forward. We're in a transformational time with AI and its influence on people and society. I am extremely excited about human-AI interaction on multiple fronts. It's such a fabulous research topic, and there's so many angles for people to get involved in this and to contribute in deeply helpful ways as we define our relationship with AI systems moving forward. There are so many areas that come together that will play an important role in how we build AI systems to work with people.
Find out more in The Rise of the AI CoPilot, Lessons for Design from Aviation and Beyond, an opinion article in the July 2024 Communications of the ACM.